Kip G with a weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? We have a spring snowstorm on the way. This is a big difference from 24 hours ago. Our numerical weather models that hobbyists like to look at, as well as the true meteorologists, they have trended more to the north and west with precipitation for Wednesday. And with temperatures right around 32 degrees, it looks like we're going to get another winter storm in the month of March. But we're going to have the same problems in terms of trying to figure out how much snow actually falls because we're in the month of March and we have the sun angle that we have to deal with. We have relatively warm temperatures preceding the storm, although it is a bit cooler than what it was the last time we had snow around here, in that temperatures are kind of hovering around 40 degrees as opposed to the mid and upper 40s. Having said that, I'm very skeptical on the snow amounts that I'm seeing being forecasted. I think that you should be too because of the aforementioned factors, but we'll go through it. I think several inches will accumulate in certain neighborhoods, and then in other neighborhoods, several inches are not going to accumulate. So, for example, in Midtown Manhattan, where the temperature might be around 32 or 33 degrees, we're looking at a situation where, even if it snows heavily during the day, which I think it will on Wednesday, I don't think that we're going to see much in the way of accumulation. I think that areas that are more that have more side streets and that have less traffic and are less urban, they're the areas that'll see several inches of snow or more on Wednesday. And the winds will be strong. They'll be gusting up to 40 miles an hour on Wednesday. Now, I think we will start off with mixed precipitation tomorrow night, but the main show is going to be on Wednesday. So we'll take a look at the NAM model, and this is out to about tomorrow afternoon, late in the afternoon. So we will see a period of snow, sleet, and freezing rain, and plain old rain develop, probably by late afternoon, early evening tomorrow night. And I think that'll basically straddle the coastline. So for New York City, Southern Connecticut, and points south, this is where you'll get snow, sleet, and rain mix for tomorrow night. I don't think much will accumulate. I think that, maybe an inch or two and maybe some slushy roads will be the biggest problem going into tomorrow night. Then we're going to get a little bit of a break. And then by Wednesday morning, light snow starts to develop. And this other area of low pressure is going to get going along the New Jersey coast, and it is going to intensify rapidly to a position just south of Long Island. So I think that the bulk of the snow happens for much of Wednesday into Wednesday afternoon and night. And this is definitely an intense storm. And I think if this were a month before, I think if this were February 21st, I would be very bullish on the idea that this would be a foot or more for the areas in blue. But rather than doing that, I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I took one of the model outputs for snow, and let's take a look at it here. And it shows the raw number of what the model thinks the snowfall is going to be across the board. So you can see out on Long Island, it thinks it's going to be 7, 9, 6. Closer to the city, it's printing out about 10 inches of snow. Back towards Philly, it's printing out about a foot. But if we cut those amounts in about half, I think that's basically what you're going to see accumulate. And that's due to the fact that it's just based on the time of year and the fact that we're dealing with marginal temperatures. Now, the danger is, the real reason why this could go very wrong is if it ends up being colder during the storm on Wednesday. If the storm produces more cold air and you get temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, or even the upper 20s for that matter, you're going to see these amounts of close to a foot of snow or more, especially in the areas in the darker shades. I'm not banking on that yet. I feel that, from the last couple of storms that we've had, and also, the fact is with the sun angle and the March, and it being March 21st already, that we can safely cut these numbers in half. So I'd be skeptical right now on seeing big snowfall amounts forecasted. I know that local media outlets are going with higher snowfall totals, but I think I think a healthy sense of skepticism is in order based on the time of year. Although travel will be a bit treacherous on Wednesday, no doubt about it. Definitely slipping and sliding all over the place and dealing with snow and treacherous travel on the roads. But in terms of actual accumulation, what falls and what has to be cleaned up, I think you can kind of cut these numbers in half and go with that for your estimate. That's the most you'll get. And I'll be doing another update tomorrow night. But a spring snowstorm is on the way. Make no mistake about it. I just think that the accumulations are going to be a little bit less than what most of the local media outlets are going for at this time. The bulk of the storm happens on Wednesday with a little bit of mixed precipitation tomorrow night.